Being a young professional marks the beginning of an exciting journey, filled with opportunities, ambitions, and financial independence. However, amidst the excitement, it's easy to overlook the importance of financial planning and savings. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we delve into the world of financial prudence tailored specifically for the young workforce. The transition from college or university to the professional realm brings forth a myriad of financial responsibilities. The paycheck you've eagerly anticipated comes with its own set of challenges: managing expenses, saving for the future, and navigating through a complex financial landscape. In this series, we'll explore vital strategies and invaluable insights designed to empower you in your quest for financial stability and security. From understanding the fundamentals of budgeting to exploring diverse investment avenues, this series aims to equip you with the tools needed to make informed financial decisions. We'll unravel the secrets to smart saving, debunk common financial myths, and illustrate how early planning can yield long-term benefits. Join us on this enlightening journey as we unlock the mysteries of financial planning and embark on a path towards a financially sound future for young professionals. Tip number 1. Establish a budget. Let's delve deeper into our first tip: establishing a budget. This isn't about restricting yourself. It's about being mindful of where your hard-earned money goes. Start by listing your fixed expenses: rent, utilities, subscriptions. Then factor in variable expenses like dining out or shopping. Review your expenses at the end of each month. You might be surprised by certain spending patterns. This reflection helps in making adjustments where needed. Remember, budgeting isn't about cutting everything fun. It's about allocating your money consciously, allowing for guilt-free spending within your means. Consider using the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to necessities, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings or debt payments. Adjust these percentages to fit your goals. And hey, emergencies happen. Having a separate emergency fund, ideally 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses, provides a safety net during unforeseen circumstances. By budgeting, you're taking control of your finances, paving the way for financial freedom and achieving your dreams. Stay tuned for more tips on how to master your finances and thrive in your professional journey. Tip number 2, set financial goals. Let's talk about setting financial goals, a fundamental step towards shaping your financial future. Imagine your goals as destinations on the map. They guide your journey towards financial success. Start by identifying short-term goals such as building an emergency fund or paying off high-interest debts. These goals create a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to reach bigger milestones. Long-term goals like buying a house, retirement planning, or investing in your passions require strategic planning. Break these down into smaller, achievable steps. For instance, if your aim is homeownership, set milestones like saving for a down payment or improving your credit score. Make your goals smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Assign deadlines and track your progress regularly. This not only holds you accountable but also allows for necessary adjustments along the way. Remember, your goals should be flexible to adapt to life's changes. Setting and achieving financial goals isn't just about the destination. It's about enjoying the journey towards financial empowerment and security. Tip number 3, automate your savings. Automating your savings can be a game changer in building a robust financial future. Think of it as setting up a set-it-and-forget-it system that works tirelessly in the background, ensuring consistent progress towards your savings goals. Start by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account on payday. Even better, consider splitting your direct deposit so that a portion goes directly to your savings. This method ensures that you save before you have the chance to spend. Another effective strategy is using multiple savings accounts or dedicated savings jars for specific goals. Whether it's for a vacation, emergency fund, or a down payment on a house. By separating your savings, you visually track progress and resist the temptation to dip into funds allocated for other purposes. Automating your savings not only fosters discipline, but also helps inculcate a healthy savings habit, making it easier to achieve your financial aspirations. Tip number 4, be a smart shopper. Being a savvy shopper isn't just about finding the best deals. It's about making intentional choices that stretch your dollar further. One of the most effective strategies is to plan your purchases. Create a shopping list based on your needs, not wants, and stick to it. This simple act can prevent impulse buying and overspending. Next, embrace the power of comparison. Whether it's groceries, clothing, or electronics, compare prices between stores or brands. Use apps or websites that track price fluctuations or offer coupons and discounts. Loyalty programs and cashback apps can also help you save money on everyday purchases. Timing matters too. Consider shopping during sales or using seasonal discounts to your advantage. Buying off-season items like winter clothes in summer or grills in the fall can score significant savings. Being a smart shopper isn't about depriving yourself, but about making informed decisions that support your financial goals. By practicing mindful spending, you'll not only save money, but also develop a more mindful and intentional approach towards consumption. Tip number 5. Invest wisely. Now let's dive into the world of wise investing. Investing your money strategically can help it grow and work for you over time. For young professionals especially, starting early can be a significant advantage due to the power of compound interest. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are excellent options for beginners as they offer diversified portfolios without requiring extensive knowledge of the market. Consulting a financial advisor can provide valuable insights into creating an investment strategy aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. They can guide you on tax-efficient investments, retirement accounts, like IRAs or 401ks, and how to rebalance your portfolio periodically. Remember, investing isn't about timing the market, but rather time in the market. Stay informed, stay patient, and focus on a long-term perspective. Making informed decisions today can pave the way for a financially secure tomorrow. Tip number 6. Prioritize debt repayment. As a young professional, managing and reducing debt should be a key focus. Start by understanding the types of debt you have, such as student loans, credit cards, or other outstanding balances. Prioritize high-interest debts first, as they can accumulate quickly and hinder your financial progress. Create a plan to systematically pay off your debts. Allocate a portion of your budget specifically for debt repayment, and consider strategies like the debt snowball method, paying off smaller debts first, or the avalanche method, tackling high-interest debts first. Consistency in debt repayment not only improves your credit score but also frees up more resources for saving and investing in the future. Tip number 7. Build an emergency fund strategically. While having an emergency fund is crucial, it's equally important to build it strategically. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund, but consider your personal circumstances and risk tolerance. Start by determining your monthly living expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, and other essentials. Set realistic milestones for building your emergency fund over time. Remember that this fund is a safety net for unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or sudden job loss. Consider placing your emergency fund in a separate savings account or a money market account to keep it easily accessible but separate from your everyday spending. Regularly review and adjust the fund based on changes in your financial situation or life circumstances. Financial wellness is a journey, not a sprint. Embrace each step forward, no matter how small, and celebrate your progress. The discipline and dedication you invest in today will yield a brighter and more secure tomorrow. Your commitment to these savings tips positions you ahead in the race toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching.